Namaste, this is S.K. Batin Rahman from the Faculty of Pharmacy in Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Today we discussion about enzyme application and therapy. Advanced knowledge of therapeutic use of enzyme, height of the instant of manufacturing and the process of macromolecule. Therapeutic use of proteolytic enzyme, it is the atom of the earlier 19th century. Physical and chemical property. Enzymes are the protein catalyze the remarkable efficiency of efficiency lipid, carbohydrate, nucleotide, or metal content phosphostar group which contain attached enzyme and the several essential compounds of the their catalyze by enhance the specific stability. Each enzyme have a specific temperature and the pH range. There are function of optimize the capacity or optimize of the this protein usually between 37 to 47 degrees centigrade. The pH of optimum range of the acid 1 in case of gastric pepsin alkaline and the 10.5 is in the case of alkaline phosphate. However, enzymes are the extremely tolerant bacteria are becoming available this function of nearest boiling point of the water. Therapeutic use of the instability of protein can be anticipated. And the enzyme of extreme extract often are unsuitable for the therapeutic use because the antigenicity and contamination and the endotoxin are rapidly inactive under the physiological condition in fluid. Intended to intravenous infusion of over several hours when enzymes are used for foreign substance and the use of physiological condition. Hydrolysis either represent the significant class of therapeutic enzyme. Another group of enzyme is pharmacological use of building cofactor, example in the form of phosphate and nucleotide and zinc. The synthesis another multi-substance enzyme that are require higher enzyme phosphate and available use for drug because their co-substance are absent or external specific present of the phosphate group. The common enzymes are available in oral form and the sum of the formulated and the appropriate stability and however the preparation of seldom is the sudden parental use. Dry preparation of higher salt excipients and reduce the agent of adorable function of formulation of therapeutic enzyme intended to systemic administration. Most of the common use and method of formulation of therapeutic enzyme involved in lyophilization in the presence of melatonin. Sorry, melatonin or mannitol and the physiological buffer. Many of the enzyme can be denoted by the heat and the even dry state and the refrigeration and freezing during the transfer store and customer. The therapeutic utility of enzyme preparation large dependent on stability on final formulated. A number of chemical modification has been employed in include building inner surface of the encapsulation, increase the resistance of the just intrinsic ability of macromolecule of decomposition. Unfortunately, some of the modification of interfering the optimum kinetic performance of the enzyme. The development and deployment recombination DNA technology made up significant contribution toward the made the goal are massive product of the human enzyme for human use. However, it is the stress and post-transmissional modification of enzyme may be occur of foreign organ and cell used for manufacturing. Some of the modification is given enzyme may be occurred in the nitrogen organ and the call used manufacturing. Some of the modification provide essential catalyze the activity of impart of the necessary of therapeutic characteristic that are necessary carry out by modification of chemical use. Use therapeutic enzymes have been broad variety of specific use. Oncology, thermocytic and replacement of the inhalation deficiency, addition to the growth of the group cellular enzyme of diversity function. A review of synthesis of pathway of requirement for amino acid eukaryotic cell so that the tumor cell are required for abundant supply of L-guanine, L-arginine, L-cysteine, and tryptophan, and one other acid of grow of survival. And L-glutamine and aspartame are prepared for anticipate, which is the show the activity of culture of tumor cell. The additional chemical modification of protein is succinic anhydrase prolong of plasma half-life in the human. In case of same way of polyethyl glycol modification, L-arginine from the streptococci and mammalian L-arginine couple of polyethylene glycol. L-arginine decarboxylation is the converted of L-arginine to the L-arginine to arginine, having so that anti-tumor activity of expression of neoplastic. Thermolabile, heat labile of enzyme. Although atherosclerosis and the accomplice of variety of deficiency of utilization are responsible at the disease called pulmonary embolysis, arterial occur of myocardial infarction, lack of blood flow, and the cause of fibrolytic clotting and the defect of tissue. Thank you so much for hearing.